thing.
Joe Camel.
What did they do this year?
Have you ever?
Okay.
You guys, Joe Camel.
Say, what do you have to say to Tab?
Hold on, first I have stuff I need.
That's attractive, really.
That's not too cool. Hey, what do you have to say to Tab?
I love Tab. Oh, look, there's Tab.
Hey, Tab.
Can I express my feelings about Tab, please?
Yes.
Can you put on night vision?
Yeah, it's on night vision.
Okay, good. Because I look a lot better in night vision. Okay. Let me tell you about Tab. Tab is a very kind person.
Unique.
Agree? I agree.
I concur.
Tab is also a beautiful person.
He's like a rose.
He's not
in the line.
in that picture. You want to go scan to the
Where?
picture?
Where? Oh, there's a pic. Okay, let me.
Okay.
Sometimes I could.
We see you. Wait.
On me. No,
Wait,
don't
we
get
got-
nervous.
Lewis, interfering!
Film me. I need to be on camera. Sometimes, for hours, I just get like lost in Tab's eyes for hours on end.
Cool.
I get lost.
Let me just say.
Wait, I have to say something. When I get lost at Burke, I just look for Tab, and Tab tells me where to go, and I really
No, I
appreciate
gotta say
it.
something. I gotta say something.
Tab is the guiding light in my life.
Okay, no. Tab must be a parking ticket because he's got fine written all over him.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that's right.
Tab, are you wearing space pants? Cause your ass is out of this world.
Yo, let me leave a birthday message for Tab. Okay. On a more serious note, Tab and I have had sex many occasions. I must say his wiener is like a Roman god. That's all I have to say about Nick, Tab, and his birthday. Lewis, birthday testimonial.
I penetrated Tab like twice.
Only twice. Penetrated could mean ear. It could mean the ear. It could mean the Tab.
In the shoulder.
Small shoulder.
It's so possible. Can I tell them more about Tab?
Yes, I'm zooming in your face.
No, you were about Tab the other day.
I'm saying
And
I will throw
we were doing it
Christy, don't lie.
in the dream. Well, riding bikes together. And then
Riding, that is impossible. Utterly impossible. You go back to sleep.
I'm really happy I know Tab, and I came to this party.
I'm happy I know.
We had a lot of fun during manhunt.
and then we fell off a cliff.
No more lies.
But he caught me.
All right, you're
so
gone.
that
You're
goes
done.
me
That wouldn't help.
People, leave birthday testimonials.
I got one.
Okay, it better not be a lie.
Tab.
Christy, get out of the shot. You're uglying it up.
When I'm on the computer, I pretend to bang Tab.
Oh yeah.
See, that's a truthful.
I'm on the computer. I beg.
Leave something for Tab on his birthday. 1 second, 1 second.
Me and Tab, we've had cyber sex before. It was a lot of fun.
I did that only once, but I got my wiener stuck in the modem. I got really badly cut on the fan. There's a fan.
You gotta talk to me on the camera.
Tab, here's
Go.
the money making thing.
Okay.
Leave a birthday message to Tab on the camera.
You gotta scratch my balls. Alright. Billy.
If I can You're leaving? Oh, I'm coming with you. Wait 1 second.
To trade Tab
No, this is what you're
for
doing now.
10 wives that were really hot and that walked around naked all the time. I'd probably take the wives.
On the scale from 1 to 10, Tab is 12.
Hold on, can I tell a story?
That's not on 1 to 10.
Shut up! When I was a freshman and a bitch, Tab didn't like me very much. And I
This is your third thing. Shut up. People in the huddle. Oh.
Don't, whatever you do, don't waste my camera battery life.
Here, let's get in the camera. Get a pic of me and Dean.
Hey, Dean.
Let me talk!
Dean. Say happy birthday to Tab. Yeah. Group of people. Hannah. 1 second. I'm being Steven Spielberg. I'm John Grisham. No, he writes books. I thought I was.
Because I love Tab so much, I'm gonna sing him happy birthday. Does this have sound?
Yeah.
I'm gonna sing him happy birthday in Filipino.
Tab doesn't like Oriental people.
Come on,
let's go with Lewis.
Tab.
All right, all right.
Come on.
Come on, faster, faster. Yes.
Mac, look my way. No, play.
That's playing. You're playing. That's some playing. Oh, shut up!
That's it.
He almost dotted my eyes. Dude, he's like,
Mark! You know what? There you go.
oh my God! He told her!
No, he did not!
Cynthia did.
She's freaking out that kid.
Danielle.
Yeah. Right. But outside of that, I mean.
Oh my God.
Come on. What is that thing?
It's a hit.
Time after time.
Danielle, she's
Oh my God.
Rock
Who's
on.
taking acid?
Time after time. She never even did.
Time for a second. Let it take us. Small as fucking.
Baby, give me insight between black and white. There you go, Dad. The best thing you ever done for me is to help me take my life less seriously. It's only life after all.
I'll tell you what. You can't get it back. It costs more than that to make. This guy's like. Let me ask you. You can't get travel off for anything under like $250, right?
No, no less than that. I'm crawling on your
Scar
shirt.
tissue.
There's more than one answer to these questions. Pointing me in a crooked line. Unless I see those are I am to find. Yeah, so I